Stocking the freezer for postpartum part 3, breakfast edition. And these recipes are easy. I octupled the recipe for protein waffles and I'm making them in this waffle maker as I'm multitasking these other recipes. So let's talk about pancake muffins. They're freaking delicious, easy to make, and you can pick whatever toppings you want. I did chocolate chips and walnuts. I also made a double batch of pancake sausage bites, which are a high protein breakfast staple. Look at all these beautiful little bites. Honestly, these could be a screensaver, but more importantly, my breakfast. 3 of these are a serving and they just need to be heated up in the microwave. To store all the bites in the freezer, wait until they're completely cooled and placed in a labeled gallon Ziplock. Seal with the extra air out to avoid freezer burn. Back to the protein waffles. Look at these babies. 3 of these are a serving and they are perfect straight from the freezer after heating in a toaster, especially with peanut butter, berries, and syrup. Yum. To store, stack them in a labeled gallon size sealed Ziplock. Honestly, that's the storage default. Another happy meal prep moment here. And now into the freezer, I'm gonna try really hard not to break into these breakfasts until baby is here. Here's today's breakfast stack along with the last 2 preps that I've done. Follow along to see what we stock our freezer with next.